Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of August 21st, 2020. Here are some upcoming events. Meet the Teacher will be on Friday, August 28th. The elementary school Meet the Teacher schedule is grades K and 5, 12:30 to 1:15. Grades 1 and 4, 1:30 to 2:15. Grades 2 and 3, 2:30 to 3:15. The secondary Meet the Teacher is 1 to 1:20 is first period, 1:25 to 1:45 is second period, 1:50 to 2:10 is third period, 2:15 to 2:25 is fourth period, 2:30 to 2:50 is fifth period, 2:55 to 3:15 is sixth period, 3:20 to 3:40 is seventh period. Teachers will inform families of the Google Meets link to virtual Meet the Teachers. Thank you to all the families who patiently waited to pick up Chromebooks and other materials for your students. We had a great turnout of families. If you're still in need of materials, please call the campus to make arrangements for pickup. Here is some important information about the school meals program. The last day of the summer grab and go feeding program will be August 27th. On September 1st, the regular breakfast and lunch program will begin. Students will be emailed a letter from the school district with your student's school number. Parents will have to show the letter or student number when picking up meals. Meals can be picked up at any location that I will email to the parents. Please fill out the application for free and reduced lunches. Fill out this application even if you think your family does not qualify. PBMA receives additional funding for materials and staff members based upon these forms. The link can be accessed by going to our website, going to the Parents tab, Forms and Links sub-tab, and scroll down to Food Service links. Thank you in advance for filling out the free and reduced lunch application. Here is some secondary school information from Ms. Powell.
Good day, PBMA families. My name is Mrs. Powell, Assistant Principal of the Secondary Campus, with an update for students in grades 6 through 12. Our Chromebook distribution this week has been wonderful. Please be reminded that all students need a Chromebook in order to access our remote live learning. If for some reason you are unable to pick up a Chromebook, please call us at 561-578-5700 to make arrangements to pick up a Chromebook. Student schedules will be released next week in Jupiter Ed. A lot of you have been asking, and so we will release them through Jupiter Ed next week. Our annual Meet the Teacher event will take place virtually on Friday, August 28th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. All teachers will send out links through Jupiter Ed so that you are able to join their classrooms and meet them virtually. This will be your opportunity to get your first glance at who your child's teachers will be and to know what the expectations are for this school year. And finally, our first Parent Academy of the 2020-2021 school year will take place on Wednesday, August 26th, virtually at 6 p.m. You will receive links in Jupiter Ed so that you are able to participate in this very important event. During this time, we will discuss with parents how to navigate Google Classroom, Google Meeting, Jupiter Ed, and most importantly, Florida Fortify, which is our emergency information system. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all for your continued support and to let you know how much we look forward to welcoming you and your family to our 2020-2021 school year. Welcome aboard.
New secondary students will be called with information on how to log into Jupiter Ed. PBMA invested in the iWave Advanced Air Purification System that uses needlepoint bipolar ionization to break down the air in our school buildings. In addition, we installed HEPA filters in our buses that will cycle the air 26 times per hour. Uniforms are not required for distance learning. However, uniforms and masks can be ordered online. Elementary students are now able to wear black uniform shirts and PBMA black sweatshirts. To order uniforms, please go to our website, Parents tab, and then the Uniform sub-tab. Here's Ms. Martin with some important information on how to log into online learning.
Good morning, PBMA family, and welcome to the new school year. My name is Mrs. Martin, and I'm going to be showing you how to sign in this year instead of using the Clever Slips that we had last year. The QR codes are no longer going to work. So as we start, let me get and I'm going to talk to you about how to sign into Clever and Meet and proper online learning. Signing into Clever is a little different this year. You're going to have to log in without using your Clever badge. You're going to use your school name. You're going to type the school name here, and you're going to wind up with a drop-down menu, as you can see here. Notice I put the X over the Clever badge. We did not have the Clever badges this year. You look for Palm Beach Maritime Academy K-5 or Palm Beach Maritime Academy, Florida. If you click on that, here's the high school for what you need to do on this page right here. Your login information is your child's email through the school, and it is their email and their username, and their password is the last four of their student ID, the capital letters, first initial, last initial, and the last two digits of their birth year. So for example, this child's name is John Doe, JD, and his birth year is 2011. So his sign-in information here is his email, and here is his password. It is 5678 JD 11. And once you put that in, most of the time it will save it. And if you click save it, you won't have to do this every time. Once your child's in Clever, the screen will be the same as last year with links to Google Classroom, Think Central, Reading Eggs, ReadWorks, and Meet. We're going to discuss how we expect your child to act in Meet. If your child is in a meeting for a class and they go in, their first screen is going to be this. And if there's a meeting for the teacher, what they're going to see is the meeting here. They'll see maybe Mrs. Martin ELA or whomever their teacher's name is. Trying to get my pointer up. Okay, once in the meeting, mute your mic. I'm going to show you where to do that. And turn off the camera. You can use the chat box for communication with the teacher and be respectful. It's not to play in. We had a lot of students typing in their inappropriate things. So we want to keep this very school-oriented. Now, if you see here, I can't show you, but for some reason the slide thing will not allow me to. If you see here, there is an arrow pointing to the mute and an arrow pointing to the camera. There we go. So you are going to mute and turn off the camera. Here is the chat box if you need to have a conversation with the teacher, or the child needs to have a conversation with the teacher. They can click on that and type in what they need. Kindergarten may need a little help with this. Now, once all this is done, we will be in. Most teachers will have some procedures that they expect in their classrooms. There are some other things that would be beneficial to your students for virtual learning, and I will be looking forward to seeing all my students coming up on the 31st of August. Thank you. Have a great day.
Please sign up to our emergency and important text messaging service. This service is used to relay important information to parents quickly. On your cell phone, please text the message K5 PBMA to the number 555-888 for the elementary school sign-up. For the secondary school, text the message 612 PBMA to the number 555-888. Please send me an email if you have any difficulty. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And this is Bailey. Remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.